get asked all the time, how can they build their own app and make it look good? And until now, it's been pretty difficult. You would have to know the fundamentals and really understand how to make each page look better. But FlutterFlow just came out with the new AI generator. So you can tell it what you want on the page, and it's going to be generating it. Now, here's how it works. You're going to be able to first ask it to design a page like this. It mentions design a page for space photo rating app where users can view pictures taken by other people, include a short description. And with that, then the platform is going to be able to actually generate that for you. Not only that, you're going to be able to pick an assortment of different colors and change it if you want it night or light or dark mode, and be able to have all of that done. Then, because FlutterFlow allows you to see the code in Flutter, you're going to be able to see all that stuff. So if you want to take the code with you, if you want to, depending on the plan you get from FlutterFlow, you can export it. Crazy, crazy. No other no-code platform is allowing you to export the code, and especially not like this. Then you can create other detailed pages if you want. And when you do this, you can also use the new feature where you can actually have the workflow and see how you can connect all the pages and all of those different things with FlutterFlow. And this is the new FlutterFlow AI Gen. This is coming out. And actually, you can get on the wait list with the link down below. Now, this is kind of important. This is kind of important because if you have been waiting to find out how to build an app, this is for you. Let me know in the comment section down below, is this helping you? Do you care about these things? Let me know. Now, let's go back. If you've never heard of FlutterFlow, if this is intriguing to you because you're here because you are interested in AI and you haven't used FlutterFlow before, this is one of my favorite platforms to use if you're trying to create mobile applications. Now they have also expanded that you can create web pages as well, but this really allows you to make some of the best looking mobile apps in the game. Now, if there's a whole debate and you're saying, what about Bubble? There's a whole other thing. We've done the comparisons, but here with FlutterFlow, I think it really excels where it looks like a professional application that you can have in the App Store, iOS, or the Google Play Store, and it's a one-stop shop. You can bring in your database, you can do all of these things, and if you want to see what is possible, you can take a look at some of the templates or what people have created. A fintech app they've created, a CRM application, a task management app. And also you can take a lot of these different templates or examples and then just be able to duplicate it and start your own thing, seeing this. So that is where I really think FlutterFlow stands out. Also, too, if we're looking at the pricing of people like, but Doc, I can't start I don't have any money. Well, you can start for free, validate your app, and then be able to scale up when you need it and when it's appropriate for you. Again, like I mentioned, this is the only platform that allows you to export your code if you want to take it with you later on. So that's something to keep in mind for sure. A lot of people don't want to be locked into a platform. Remember, it's spitting out the code for Flutter, which is an open source code created by Google, and then you can take it with you if you want. So let me know what you think about this new feature that they're going to be having. And remember, you can actually go to the website and you can actually get on the waiting list right now. When this becomes available, when I get access, I'm going to do a video about it. And I just wanted to let you know what's going to happen in this space. Also, too, if you're interested in other no-code videos or want to hear about AI, what's happening, remember, like and subscribe to this channel. We do this every single week. And if you need anything, business, all those things, let me know in the comment section. All right, everybody, have a great day. Talk to you later. Maybe I should do more AI videos. All right, talk to you later.